What's going on, man? I got a problem with my O2 Pontiac Grand Prix GT two-door coupe. 57,437 original miles. This is the problem. Nothing. Clicks. Radio fine. DIC comes on. Windows work properly. No power today. Fuel gauge moves. Getting a good charge right now from a Mustang. Yeah, it won't do anything. Relays click. Turn signal. Flasher doesn't work. I swapped out the dash with another dash. That didn't work either, but this is the original dash that I put back in. Radio works fine. This is when you go to turn it over. Everything else works fine. Interior lights are dim. Lights fine, bright, but the gauge will not show almost any power. Except that the lights are on. You just can't really tell, but they're really dim. Very dim. But they are on.